40 years ago, when my dad named me Fern after these plants that he loved to grow on our home balcony, I don't think he imagined that I would one day start a food tech company that makes plant proteins from green leaves, which is actually Earth's most abundant source of protein. Now, despite the $38 billion plant-based market opportunity, food companies face a critical problem, which is the lack of biodiversity in plant protein ingredients. Today, there are only 3 predominant plant proteins, which makes it really difficult for the food companies to create that next generation of plant-based foods that consumers expect, such as your plant-based meat and cheeses that have the right texture and mouthfeel, as well as being free from allergens and also being sustainable. Our leaf protein ingredients come from regenerative and alternative plant sources. And compared to soy, which is the industry standard, we can achieve the same high protein content. But more importantly, our leaf protein is a clean label ingredient, which means it's free from unwanted chemical residues. This is much sought after in the industry, and we achieve this through our thermomechanical extraction. Our team has over 70 years combined experience in the food industry. I've had over 17 years experience as a product manager and product marketer in B2B and B2C. My co-founder Connor has been researching leaf protein for over 3 years and is completing his PhD on this. Our advisor's Rod McDonald has been researching leaf protein extraction for over 27 years and has patents to his name. And Jonathan Middis is a senior R&D executive with many years' experience scaling up lab-scale processes to commercial scale. We buy leaves from growers and use our extraction process to produce our powdered isolates and concentrates, which food companies use to formulate their plant-based meat and dairy products. So far, over 50 local and global companies have asked for samples, and these are just a few that we shortlisted to receive our initial samples. The reason why they're so interested is because leaf protein offers additional functional properties. The plant-based meat and cheese companies in particular are interested in the gelation and emulsification properties because this is what can help them overcome the challenge of creating the right texture and mouthfeel of those next generation plant-based meat and cheese products. Our immediate go-to-market milestone is to scale up from grams to kilograms. We've started pilot plant trials to produce our initial samples and are aiming to scale production into the tons by next year. Please reach out if you're interested in bringing to market a new category of sustainable plant proteins. We're looking for investors and partners in food manufacturing. Thank you.